Lately, I'll admit I turned down. Having drank, just puffing on the carry downs. Giving out these balls like a Girl Scout. So dope, turn y'all into burnouts. Going big, I don't even gotta work out. Real shit, I show you what this world about. Yo, turn, I don't care how it turn out. You want money, but you don't wanna work. Wow. We chiefin' on weekend, we hide in these streets like a birdhouse. Receiving these beats when I eat on my feet, so I'm beat some more words now. The beat is deceased, I'm back in the sheets and the pussy make purr sounds. She really a freak, she say on the D, she don't feel when I teach, she my girl now. A vodka with a bullshit. Fuck out of here with it, yeah. I'm never one full click, cause these problems ain't finished, yeah. But for real, y'all wouldn't even get it. Couldn't even tell you if I even got a second, if I even got a minute. I'll maybe try to spit it, but the story's got limits, so it's stay between us. What's God in music got trust? What's trust with a friend on drugs? What's a friend when he all fucked up and you haven't even known him for the past few months? I don't know, just acquaintance, I guess. A lost brother who ain't doing the best. A troubled kid, you miss so much, you won't see him, so you shoot him a text. Goddamn. Almost seemed like we died for a minute. How we died? Almost seemed like we died for a minute. Don't know why. Now there's problems, I'm just trying to admit it. I can't lie. Shit is different, homies never know their limit. They get high. Shit is crazy, haven't known them in a minute. I don't get it. Things changing, I'm just trying to forget it. Shit's upsetting. We were good the way we chose to live it. We were good. Haven't seen them like we died for a minute. Haven't seen your ass in a minute, boy. Like you got a red car, can't kick it, boy. Really fucking hate how you living, boy. Unemployed, shit destroyed. Ditch your boys, just dipped like Chips Ahoy. Risky choice, hit the joint. Recognize that I got a point. If you don't like it, I'm not annoyed, yeah. I'm trying to help, but homie, you gotta accept it. Keep living the way that you live, and you probably end up getting arrested. This is my view, I see it's a problem. I gotta project it, don't wanna dissect it. This just a message, it's sad, this is how I have to address it, oh God. Lately, I've been hearing all this bullshit. Getting weed, no money in a full whip. Watch her slip when I thought I had a good grip. Can't hear right bad about a good kid. Listen in like it coming through your headset. Wake up, it ain't time to go to bed yet. But if you are, you'll end up on your deathbed. Yo, Young Thug, that's my best friend. And that's my best friend that have watched lift up while ignoring his demons. The demons ain't leaving. They sticking like semen, cause really it's semen. Insanity deepin'. From plotting and scheming and sniffing, not sleeping. The money decreasing. Bro, this have a meaning, this ain't for no reason. Almost seemed like we died for a minute. How we died? Almost seemed like we died for a minute. Don't know why. Now there's problems, I'm just trying to admit it. I can't lie. Shit is different, homies never know their limit. They get high. Shit is crazy, haven't known them in a minute. I don't get it. Things changing, I'm just trying to forget it. Shit's upsetting. We were good the way we chose to live it. We were good. Haven't seen them like we died for a minute.